close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Occasionally, we need to examine the oral cavity as a part of the routine physical examination. Initially, you can examine down here on the lip by just simply rolling down her lip, looking in this area, wiping saliva away. Then you can insert your hand in the interdental space once again. You can see a nose lead helps with this maneuver. Also helps to make sure there isn't any tension on the nose, on the halter. You can visually examine papillae over here at the commissures and the hard palate. And you can reach in here, grasp the tongue, take a good firm purchase on it, and you can evaluate the arcades and pull the tongue to the opposite side. And with minimal assistance and restraint, get a fairly good look. It's also helpful to have a flashlight. You can also do a little bit of evaluation with a bare hand, as long as you stay in the center. You can get all the way back into the pharynx fairly safely, even without a speculum, so long as you keep your hand between the arcades. There is plenty of space there to get that evaluated. The other thing that can be used is a speculum. Speculums you have to be fairly careful about because they are weighted and they will get airborne easily and cause damage. So you want to be sure about that the head is restrained, and a speculum such as this can be used to keep the cow's mouth open, tied onto it to hold it on like a halter, or an assistant on each side to hold this speculum in place while you go up between to examine. You can also use a stick of some sort as a speculum and tongue depressor to get an evaluation of the pharynx. You can take the speculum out like that. There are other types of speculums that are available to put on cows' mouths to open them up and hold them open.